Hey there. Today I wanted to cover VVS finance and creating the LP pair for crypto.com and VVS LP farming. To do that, we're going to go to VVS finance main website and then go to the earn and farms, and we're going to do the CRO-VVS. Click it, get CRO-VVS LP. It'll take you to the actual pair. And what we want to do is add all of our VVS, and actually let's go ahead and just do 1 million. CRO. And this will tell you, this will auto adjust this or auto adjust this depending on how you do it. So if we were to say 201, it will autofill this for you. So we're going to put 1 million VVS and 201 CRO into the VVS CRO liquidity provider and get our LP tokens, and then we're going to go farm them.
Idea. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
All right,
I saw that
so
part in the course.
I actually have a client in Detroit.
basically
You can actually, you're welcome
we're
to
going to
take
put in
ideas
about
from this guy.
half here,
This guy is ranking for quite a few
and then I'm going
keywords.
to
It's got 303
stake the
tables.
other
Okay, so build it out. Take ideas from him, how he's built it out.
in
put,
something else.
Suburb pages, Oakland, different counties and different suburbs and all that. So build out the city.
And so
Okay.
obviously it's on the Kronos network, so you need
And you would be
actual
able to rank
CRO,
and generate calls.
crypto.com coin.
And would you do the GMB
to
first or the web?
confirm your
I would say do
transactions
the
and pay the
website first.
blockchain.
Once you have
Okay.
the website, then you can put up a GMB.
And so now we
All right.
enable
Okay. Now here's the good
creating the
news.
liquidity
You may
pair.
or may not know this. I doubt you would know
And now
this.
we
It's
will
stumbled
actually
upon
supply the liquidity pair
Okay.
to the blockchain.
When I do a search for, let's say, three, whatever, right?
The gas fee is 1.3
come up, Google guaranteed leads or Google
CRO,
ads over
so
here.
1.5
When
CRO.
you do a search for bail bonds, niche,
I personally like to always open my explorers just to
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I remember you mentioning
see
that.
Yep, that's because
how it goes.
2 years ago, maybe, or 3 years ago sometime,
And it says it's not there.
Google stopped ads for bail bonds. So these bail bonds guys, they have a ton of money. There's Detroit bail bonds, my client.
And so there,
He makes, I don't know how much he
it
makes,
created
but he
the
makes
liquidity
decent.
pair.
He gets so many calls. I have a
So
call.
here we
He's
should be
got
able to
so many
refresh
calls,
this, and it
right? Because
pulls it up, confirmed.
do stupid things and end up in jail.
Now
Okay.
we're going to go back
How these
and
bail
actually
bonds work, for those of you who don't know, is let's say someone gets into jail and their bail
refresh
is
this
$10,000.
page.
These bail bonds guys would pay that and ask these guys
We
to
will
pay
bring
a
up the
percentage, 10%,
CRO-VVS.
So it's pretty decent money. Okay. And the only disadvantage in this niche is people who are searching for bail bonds, doesn't
We
matter
will
what
enable
city,
this farm.
Detroit, doesn't matter. most likely they are, most of the time, 90%
So
low
to enable the farm, you need a transaction fee.
and they don't
About
have the
15
money.
cents, it
So
says.
they will shop around. They'll call your lead gen side, then they'll call the second guy, they'll call the third guy, and then they'll find somebody who's cheaper and go with that guy. Does it make sense? Or usually,
Yeah.
I listened to a few calls and they would say, "Oh my God, $700. Okay, I'll see how I can come up with the money," stuff like that.
And now
Gotcha.
it's a little different than any other
Yep,
of the
Robert, I'll do
DEXs that I've worked with or that
Thank you,
you
Ron. I appreciate that. Okay.
will
This
have
is a
worked
great
with
niche. Go
typically
for
in
it
the
because there's
past.
a ton of call volume.
So now that
These
you
guys
have
money,
done
the
that,
bail
you're not
bonds
going to
have money.
actually see
They
it
can't do
here
any of the advertising. There's no Google ads.
like some other ones, but
So
now
just
you can see
let me
you've
just make
already
sure. So just
approved
build
it,
the
and now we're going
website
to
out
actually
first,
stake
and then
the
just
liquidity pair,
start
and
sending
we'll just
somebody
put
calls
max.
and then contact.
So when you say bail bonds dirham, right?
And
Yeah.
supposedly
You want to
this
get an
is
idea
my
from any of
annual
these guys that I showed you, like search
interest
Detroit,
rate. We'll
Houston,
see
Dallas, bigger cities, get ideas
Gotcha.
what kind of
on whatever that comes
service
back
pages.
to,
Okay,
and
so you
then
want to bring
confirm.
out the home page.
You're going to pay your gas
You
fees,
want to
which
put
is about
service
one.
pages. There's not too many services.
Yeah, one
like
CRO.
bail bonds,
It's like
payment
70
plans,
cents, I
stuff
believe,
like that. You just get some ideas.
or
And put
so
a ton of
about the time of this
city/suburb
recording.
pages. So even though you're
And so it's going to
slash
confirm this on the
suburb of
blockchain,
Durham, suburb 2 of Durham,
and then we
something
will
like that.
start
Make sense?
receiving our
Yes.
rewards.
Then what you do right here, you
And
see
so
these
there,
people also ask,
your funds have been staked, and here
Google is telling us right now what
you will
people are
see
searching
your
for actively. They're asking these
rewards
questions. How much is the
of
bail on a
VVS
$10,000 bond?
and
How much is this? How much do you pay for that? You see that?
CRO
Yes, sir.
Grab as many as
accumulated
you can,
here.
10, 20, 30.
And so
And
next,
put this
let's
as
go
a page.
and
So your website.com/ how do I start bail bonds company, and well, this will not be
go to the mines. I want
No, I
to
get the
stake
point.
Yeah.
my
Just
other
don't copy
1
the
million
answer because that's
over here and see what that does.
Yeah, no problem.
So let's add our VVS,
Yes.
another
That's all
15
I'll be doing.
cents.
Go city
It's
by
not much.
city. So Sid got free service Pasadena. Rob, Carl, go for bail bond, man.
And
You gotta,
let's just check
you
this
land
out
on a
real
big one.
quick. The US dollars.
Let's find something for
Let's don't know. We're gonna go one.
I wonder if bail bonds. You're in Vegas,
It's like 147
Yeah. We could try Henderson. I don't know if they're
million.
Big Jade in Vegas? No? Big prison?
probably, yeah. But bail bonds is a big industry.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Does this say? Oh yeah, Henderson about it.
Everything. You can,
How much do we have left
yeah, you can
here?
go find something else. Let's
Possible.
go find something else.
Okay, 140.
I don't know how many homes are there.
497.
Inspection.
Oh, that's a good one.
So our $200
Yeah, there's some
supposedly will
competitive
roughly
stuff.
be worth $5,000 in 1 year. It's a very interesting calculator.
And this is competitive, but you may want to find
That's if
Yeah.
all else
How about
stays
palm
true.
tree removal? Like I hear
We'll
that's.
see.
I know a couple of people who've
So let's
done
just go ahead and
successfully in that one,
stake.
but it's like, it's one of those ones you just have to try. Like it's so niche. Like it would usually just be a tree removal service. Palm tree. Okay,
We
yeah.
will stake our whole
I think it's like 300.
149 annual. Says APR should be $4,600.
So you want to go here. And it doesn't
Um,
have to be Vegas or
I think I may
Yeah,
just
just
actually
regular
leave this for a year,
Sure.
Now if you
just to see what this actually comes out to be. Obviously, the interest rates are going to fluctuate as more and more adoption comes, but because the price inflation, it might actually hold true.
put A and space.
So let's go ahead and confirm all of that,
Does it make
Oh,
sense?
wow.
which is about
That's cool.
2 CRO.
B and search. Okay, Best Buy Battle House. What is that? Is that a
So we are staking 1,497,000
Put C. Costco.
today on December 2nd.
Maybe it's a brand name, but you get the idea, right?
D.
You can just do this, okay?
So let's see how. I mean, that was pretty fast. There's 4 VVS in an hour. That's pretty nice. I like that. It gives you a calculator and shows your actual profits separate than your stake up here for you. I wonder if we can get any of this by someone else. Yes, we do. Looks like when someone else claims the bounty, it also pays a % to you, which is pretty cool. So there is a fee if you do unstake within 3 days of staking VVS. As it says here, it's a 0.1%. It's not much in terms of overall dollar value, but it will amount if you unstake and stake often. So let's come back to this in, we'll just say a month and see what this looks like. We'll go over here to our CRO-VVS LP pair, and we have earned 6.5 VVS already, which is not too bad. So we'll come and check this liquidity pair in 1 month, so right after the New Year's. We'll come back and check this. And I'll probably wait to do this every week, so every, what is this, Thursday? So every Thursday I'll come back and we'll go ahead and harvest our earnings. One thing noted, this is the CROVVS blockchain. So in order to do this on your crypto.com app, because that is the only way you can natively get to the CROVVS blockchain, you need to purchase everything on crypto.com app. And then when you send off your VVS and CRO, you need it to look like this in crypto.com. So apparently it still says pending, but when you check it, you have to make sure that you send to the CROVVS network. Same with your CRO. Don't send it to the typical ERC20, which is by default on all these centralized exchanges. So when you send it off, no, we don't want to buy it. We want to send. So when you go to withdraw it to your MetaMask wallet and you pick here, so this one I have already set up as the CROVVS, but when you do it here, pick your wallet address, and then you're going to pick your coin you want to send out, and here you need to select this CROVVS, not the CRO, which is actually the default for crypto.com, and crypto.com's default for any other tokens are ERC20 typically. So make sure you send it to the CROVVS network. And then I name mine obviously the CROVVS wallet, so I know that it's actually the CROVVS chain, and interact with my MetaMask wallet in the CROVVS chain with this one. And similar here is the MetaMask Ethereum chain and the AVAX C chain. And KuCoin USDT, and there is the CROVVS wallet for the VVS. So always send a small amount to do your test. Do not send $1,000 to some wallet without testing it first. It may not just show up one day. So remember to do a small amount. Who cares what the gas fee is? It's better safe than sorry. Even if the gas fee is more than what you're sending, who cares? Just make sure you do it so you don't lose your money. All right, so we'll be back later on to check all these out. And that's it for today.